let's go over this one. So I could have started working on the left side or the right side by using the conjugate. I'll go ahead and do that for the right side. So essentially what I'm going to do is I'm just going to repeat all of this, but I'm going to have the plus sign. So secant theta plus tangent theta. Secant theta plus tangent theta. I'm going to draw a line down my equal sign. Now, here in the numerator, we can change those into sine and cosines. That might be easier for us to simplify. Class cosecant turns into now I'm distributing. Do you see that? Secant becomes what? And tangent becomes here to multiply these. I can't just multiply this and this. I have to use the box. Secant of theta minus tangent of theta. Secant of theta plus tangent of theta. Class, what's secant times secant? Squared. Positive secant times a negative tangent. It doesn't matter which trig function you put first. What does this become?
Secant tangent.
It's just a positive of the expression. Now we're going to add. What happens? And what are we left with? On your formula sheet, go ahead and put your finger on an identity that looks like. Class, which identity? The Pythagorean identity, which says tangent squared theta plus 1 equals. I want it to look like this. I want to say where it says minus or negative tangent squared, so I just subtract it from both sides. Do you see that? I get 1 equals secant squared theta minus tangent squared theta. So class, all of that is just turning into what? 1. That's because of our Pythagorean identity. So 1 over sine theta, 1 over cosine theta, plus sine over cosine. Oh no. Do I need to write the 1? No. Okay, so look here. Did I need to distribute there? Do you guys see it? Tangent is already here. Do you see it? So I really didn't have to do anything, right? I should have just left it. If you think about it, I should have just left it like that in the right here. Do you see it? Because it already says secant plus tangent. So if you want to undo what we just did, I mean, you really don't need to do all that. Just come back up here. I'll just rewrite what we had up there. Because we know all of this is just becoming 1. Over here though, cosecant theta times secant theta plus tangent theta. That's all we have now, right? Well, if I make this a fraction, how do I bring this one down? What does that become? We already said it. 1 over sine. But where's the sine? On the bottom. So your answer is secant of theta plus tangent of theta all over sine of theta. Do you see sometimes you'll see inefficiencies? That's okay. I want to show you that it's okay to make mistakes. And we just verified the identity. All I had to really do in this problem is really the multiplying by the conjugate.